greensandmachines.com.
Good morning, folks. As you can see behind me, there is a rather large sunflower plant. It is the one lone sunflower of the year. And this was a volunteer plant, meaning it grew from the seeds that last year's plant grew. I have a video about that. You can see how brief that episode was. So this plant here, I'll just stand a little closer next to it though. This is the tallest sunflower I have grown to date. This is exactly 8 feet tall. You can see me in comparison to it. It dwarfs me, or I'm dwarfed by it. So how do you get a sunflower to grow 8 feet tall? You either need good sunflower seeds, so you need a variety like Mammoth Russian. I believe that's what this is. And to help this year with that, I made compost bins, and I just happened to apply the compost to this garden bed here. I'm going to roll some B-roll so you can see how this garden bed looks, but it's very shallow, and yet you have a sunflower here growing 8 feet tall out of it. Pretty impressive, isn't it? If you want to learn more about the compost tea generated to grow plants this large, you can see a video here. If not, enjoy some more footage of this rather massive sunflower.